So friends, I've got a new product, and this is the flexible mini tripod which I'll be using in my further videos. So this I ordered 2 days back on shopclues.com, as you can see here. So this is the packet. Now I will unbox this and I will show you how's the product. So this is the product name, if you can see, velvet finish flexible mini tripod. So let's open this and I will show you how's the product. Okay, it has came with a covering of cardboard and nothing's inside this. Okay, so this is the mobile holder like we have on the selfie stick. It has also got a joint where we can attach this universal mobile holder to your tripod. So this might be the tripod, which is, I think so, it is very small. It is of black color and MRP written on it is $5.99. And there's no company label on this. I think so it's a local brand. Okay, so this is the tripod, mini tripod. Now I had ordered velvet finished mini tripod, and this is not velvet finished, this is the plastic, I think so. Yeah, so it is the plastic, and this is your mini tripod. From this is the top view of the mini tripod, side view, what's this? Okay, so these legs are extendable. Thank God it is little bit bigger than the initial one. So these legs are extendable. This is, I think so, it is made up of low grade aluminum, and this one above it, the black color part, is plastic. Yeah, but the product which I had ordered was velvet finished mini flexible tripod, and this is not that one. Okay, now there is a ball socket arrangement in this, if you can see, and we can move this head of the tripod, or we can say the place where we attach this universal mobile clip. So this is the head and it can be rotated. I think so it is little bit disturbed. I have to put oil in this. It is not properly rotating because I think so it's the new product. Yeah, now it is good to go. Yeah, now it is rotating. Yeah, so this is the product. There's a screw over here, and what's this? Let me figure out. Okay. So this is the arrangement for loosening the head of the tripod. So if you tighten this, then your head will not move, and if you loosen it up, then your head will move freely. Okay, so this tripod has three things. First is the legs, which are extendable. These are the aluminum legs, and above it the black colored part is of plastic. Actually this is low grade aluminum, I think so. And the second part is the adjustable screw for the movement of the head, and third is your head itself. Now head has got a ball socket arrangement, and you can freely rotate like this. Okay, so that was the product which I had got. I had ordered this product 2 days before from Shopclues. Now if you want to buy this product, then link will be in the description. And this mobile clip or and this mobile holder I have also got with this product only. I have not bought it separately. So this I have got for 430 rupees, and 30 rupees was for shipping purpose, and actually this product costed me 400 rupees. 30 rupees was for shipping. Now I will show you some footage with mobile and camera attached to this. So let's go to my balcony and we'll see there. Hey there guys, now let's come to the conclusion part of this video. Now if you want to buy this product, then please make a detailed study of this product, because this product has some issues with it. Now I'm shooting with this tripod on from my mobile, and I found out some problems that near the head the metal part is rusted a little bit, and the overall build quality of this tripod is not very good, but it is okay. आपका काम चल जाएगा इसमें, कोई डाउट नहीं। और थोड़े दिनों बाद ये ट्राइपॉड खराब हो सकता है, तो इसका मैं फुल्ली गारंटी नहीं दे सकता। ओके, सो दैट वाज अबाउट द ट्राइपॉड। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द मोबाइल होल्डर क्लिप विच आई गॉट in with the packet. So the mobile holder clip is also not very good. When you extend that clip, it makes a like that type of noise, and that's kind of disturbing, and it's a mark that your mobile holder clip is not very good. It is not extending properly. It is facing some issues. So there are problems with this setup of that mini tripod and the mobile holder clip. Now the actual thing was I had ordered for a velvet finish flexible type of mini tripod, but I got a different product. So this might be the case with you, and I'll feedback that about the same on the Shopclues website, and I'll see what I get the answer. So that was the thing about this tripod and the mobile holder clip. Now I'm getting my new tripod, a big one, that is the Photon Steady Pro 520 tripod, and I will be reviewing the same in my next video. Until then, stay happy and stay good.